Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Team Aaron here. So, what's going on? So, like the last two videos, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. So I'm making 2 of your turns. What's on me right now? So I'm going to give away $100 gift card to Amazon. You guys look in Edmonton for them. They'll be in the surrounding areas. Please comment down below. What are you going to do with the gift cards, and if you're going to buy anything? Because I'm not making any money from this, or making any money yet from YouTube. I'm paying out pocket for these. We have 45 subscribers. Let's make it 100 by end of the year. And this video is basically done, you know. Later today, I'm meeting up with my family. Oh, and yesterday was Canada Day. If you're in Canada and you celebrate, Happy Canada Day. To y'all. I don't know why I'm not saying y'all or y'all. Hall. I don't know. Too much country music, it does. I'm having a garage sale maybe later this month. If you guys wanted to buy and look at some stuff and maybe buy. I have some t-shirts probably made up, and you can buy one of those, and hats, but not PlayStation. I really don't want to do that soon. Peace.